This is Elina Khutoryansky, an immigration attorney for Casillas Khutoryansky located in Oakland, California. This video today is for Charles, hosted by Mobile Pathways. Today, we'll be discussing what happens when your court proceedings are located in one area and you know you'll be living in another area. And this is a part of Immigration 101. So this topic is very important because the court has to have the most up-to-date and current information on your location in order to communicate with you. In fact, if you move to an address that's not the one that the court has on file, you have 5 working days to update the court. So how do you do this?
So this is the form E33, and this is what you're going to use to update the court on your current address. So right now, you and I together are going to go over how you get the form, how you complete the form, and what you do with the form when you're done. So, how do you get the form E33? Well, a lot of the times it's a blue form that'll be given to you at different court appearances. So you might get one during your master calendar hearing or at another time. But assuming you don't get one physically, that's fine. You can easily find it on the internet by doing a simple Google search for the terms Immigration Form E33 or by going to the justice.gov website. Now that you have the form, how do you complete it? Well, you're going to want to put your name in the format that they request in the name box. So that means last name, comma first name, comma middle. Then beside that, you're going to want to put your A number in the alien registration number box. Remember, your A number is a unique number to you, and that's going to be the number that the government issues you that's used to identify you. So you'll be able to find it on your notice to appear and other documents from the court. It's normally a 9-digit number that begins with the letter A. After that, on the left side, you're going to enter your former address, and that's likely the address that the court already has on file for you. Beside that, you're going to enter your current address, which is the address that you want the court to use when sending you information, along with your new phone number on the bottom, which is the number that the court will have on file for you as well. Then you're going to sign near the sign here and date in order to say that all of the information that you're providing is both true and correct to the best of your knowledge. Under that, you're going to sign again after you fill out the proof of service. Remember, I said earlier that you have 5 working days to submit this form. So when completing the proof of service, it lets the court know that you completed this form and submitted it to the court at this address on this date. So now that you've completed the form, what do? Well, you have multiple options actually. It's good. So you can mail it to the new court, or if you're like me and you're a nervous person that's going to be wondering, did they get it, did they not, you can hand it in person. Both options are totally fine. And for both of these options, I have a little tip. You should go and when you bring the form, bring also a duplicate for them to stamp and return to you. So if that's in person, you bring 2 copies, they take one, they stamp one, and you get to keep it. If you mail the form, then along with the form that you mail, you want to include a duplicate as well as an envelope with a stamp and your address so that they can return it to you. This way, you'll have proof that you submitted it, and that's always great to have. Not to worry, there should be no stress involved with submitting this form. It's very simple and it's very common. So if you have questions about it, don't be shy. Let us know. We can make additional videos about it if necessary.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for additional Immigration 101 videos, more information, and to keep up with breaking news. If you have any comments, we'd love to read them, so please leave them down below, leave your questions down below, and we'll make sure that we keep putting out content that helps you answer all of your important immigration questions. Thanks. See you next time.